collaboration with Taiwan Excellence Campaign of 2014. All yours.
Hi, good afternoon. Well, since this is now one of my film launches, I've got something prepared. I think there's a common misconception that we all have that great brands come from the West. But I think that's only partly true. You know, there are great brands in the West, but in the last decade or so, we have seen countries in the East make some great quality products in scale, in size, and being innovative. I think Taiwan is a fine example of one of those countries, you know, which are providing us with great products in our daily life, be it in information, in everyday homeware, home in home products, in appliances, sports and fitness, and this actually echoes today's theme, which is giving great lifestyle product to Indian consumers. I think which is great. Personally, the products that I have used, I think they're as good as any in the world. And sometimes we are not aware that these are made in countries or in a country like Taiwan. I think which is the reason that we are here today, to bring out awareness to the public that this is what we are here for. Like, I didn't know that HTC and Acer are a company from Taiwan. So thank you, Emma, for giving that information. Being a sports and fitness enthusiast, I'm very excited today that Taitra is committing and presenting quality products from international Taiwanese companies to our consumers here, be it in sports, technology, healthcare, and fitness. I was checking out some of their products recently. The new bike, which you can carry around, is very exciting. I've never seen a bike being transformed into a small case like that. And I think this is what makes this excellent campaign, which is engaging consumers and business in India and bringing them together. And hopefully, through this promotional activity, and India and Taiwan will also build a great equation, you know, exchange cultural and economic information and stuff. And I feel very proud and privileged to be here today to help this collaboration between these two countries. And thank you, Taitra, and thank you, Emma, for having me here. That's yours. I'm taking your stage.
Thank you, Siddharth.
Thank you.
That was lovely. Now we'll have to request you to join us for the lighting of the lamp.
Oh, yeah?
Down there. I'll also request Ms. Emma, Mr. Lee, and Mr. Zhao to kindly come and join us on stage for lighting of the lamp. ladies and gentlemen, today we will be talking about 4 brands in the segment of Taiwan: ICT, transportation and leisure, home and living, and machinery industry. And we are lucky to have with us today the brand representatives of each of these segments who would share with us what makes their brand a brand leader in its own segment. We'll begin with D-Link for ICT industry.
Can you open with it? Which one is it? D-Link. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Very good network experience to all. We are listed in Taiwan Stock Exchange, and in India.